Skit on Constitution Day.
I am the Constitution of our India, which came into effect on Jan 26, 1950. Do you know about our Constitution, which was drafted by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar? Seriously? You really don't know? It's very sad. I will tell you about our Constitution. You will know about our fundamental rights. Papa, in our school they are taking us for the trip. Shall I also join with them?
First you focus on your studies.
Papa, please.
Oh, get inside.
Papa, my friends are going to Goa. I can also go.
Oh great, you can go.
Papa, why are you giving permission to my bro? Why are you not giving permission to me?
He is a boy so I can send him. You are a girl so I can't send you.
Right to freedom. The Constitution has given all the citizens right to freedom. No one can take away this right from us.
I can walk but I cannot say. If you can't sing, and if I can't say, I don't have right to say.
Right to equality. The Constitution has given everyone right to equality. So we must treat everyone equally. Papa, I am so happy I got good marks. I want to study more.
No, you will not study more. Go do a housework.
Papa, I don't have right to education. Right to education. Our law has given all the citizens right to education. No one can take away this right from us. Hey, stop. Where is your helmet and why are you breaking the rules?
Hey, why are you stopping me? You know who I am. My father is minister.
Whoever it is, the law is equal for everyone.
Right to constitutional remedies. It's fair to law is equal for everyone, whether one is rich or poor.
Hey, come here. I want some tea. Wait for some time. I'm cleaning the room. No, I want now itself. Stop. If you behave bad, I'll complain to police.
Right to exploitation. What are you doing? It is wrong. There are protection against domestic violence in law. She said you can get punished for this.
Yada hi dharmasya glanirvavati bharata. Stop, what are you doing here?
I am offering namaz.
This is my place, you cannot offer your namaz here.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yada hi dharmasya.
Stop. What are you doing here?
I am praying for my God.
You cannot pray my place.
Right to freedom of our religion. Our Constitution grants us to right religion, prayer where anyone can practice any religion. Now we all know about the various fundamental rights provided by Constitution. So these are the fundamental rights in the Constitution enshrined. Right to freedom. Right to education. Right to equality. Right to freedom of religion. Right to exploitation. Right to constitutional remedies.